Okay, this is the Grand Canyon. We're heading to the edge of the cliff. Wow, it's really cold here. Wilton! Wow, that's scary.
Oh my god! Wait, throw an ice cube or something.
Oh, whoa.
Scared. See, get the view.
Hey, please,
You can slide over there.
I'm so scared. Get the view out at the back.
Orong pa da.
Wow, that's so scary.
I'm scared. Oh, one more. No.
It's seven
One more.
wonders of the
One
world.
more. Get the view at the back.
Yeah, we're doing baby. That's all anyone.
Ako din, Day, kuhaan mo, kunin mo yung camera. Ay, ano? Oh. Huwag mo galaw naman masyado. Right here, go there.
Wow, that's good. Ako na po.
Hi, hello.
You're cute.
Hi, I'm here.
Oh, right here. Come on.
Oh, right here. Oh my God, it's slippery.
Baka magka-tuloy-tuloy ka dyan. Oh my God, that's so scary, man. Oh,
Oh wow, come on, look.
that's so awesome. Oh my, oh shit.
Ang camera po.
Hey, can you hold this?
Take a picture of me here.
Wow. That's so awesome. Let's go to the edge. Right here.
Take a picture first. Oh,
No, just give me some picture in here.
picture ne?
No. Camera, come here.
Oh wow, it's good.
Right here.
Pasi mas light ko sa pisti. Makita na lang ko mo sa ubos.
Here. Right.
Sheesh. Wow.
Look at that.
Oh. Wow.
Mahulog yung
Okay, take a picture using my cell phone. Take a picture using my cell phone.
Hold on. Oh shit, that's so scary. Take a look. I'm just gonna go down. Oh shit.
Using my sled,
Man,
take a picture, Dre.
take it so slowly, it's so scary. Teka lang naman. Wow, you're cute. Me too. Oh my god. It's
Die.
oh my
Come
god.
on, pictures of the
I'm on the
telephone.
edge.
Oh my God, this
It's
is
like
good.
it's so high,
Nakay
man.
Princeton diha. Come on, camera.
Shit. It's really high.
Diri pa sila nagkuha picture pa.
Kuha mo muna ako dito. Ito, tung ka.
Video ni siya.
I'm so scared.
Kurog-kurog masadaan.
My god.
Wow.
It's really high. Okay.
Ang kamera, i-camera na sad na imong cellphone call.